At this point, Rutherford was close to how we currently understand the structure of the atom, but his model had one important flaw. It wouldn't seem to be anything stopping this cloud of negative electrons from moving towards the positive nucleus, meaning the atom should automatically collapse, but we know it doesn't. 4 years later, a scientist named Niels Bohr suggested a solution. He suggested that the electrons orbited the nucleus in a similar way to how the planets orbit the sun, and that they're held in shells. This idea was very important, since the orbiting of electrons is what prevents the atom from collapsing. Since then, many experiments have supported this model, and is pretty much the same as this one, but with only small changes. Rutherford then made more experiments and found that the positive charge in the nucleus is made up of small, discrete particles, which we know now as protons. Later, a scientist named James Chadwick provided the evidence of the neutral particles in the nucleus, which we now know as neutrons. So this is how we understand the atom today.